Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about what is air made up of. Now you all aware air is all around us. Okay. Now in this we can study about how air is made up of. Okay. Now air is made up of different gases, water vapors and dust. It is also has very small living things. Now as you know, in air we can get gases, different gases, not only single gas. There are many gases which is present around us. Water vapor, water vapor means a very tiny drops of water, and dust. So with these gases, water vapor and dust are present in air, and some small living things. Now which kind of living things you can see in the air, or you can say present in the air? Living things means small bacterias, germs. So these are small living things, okay, which is presently in air. Now we can learn about clean air. Okay, clean air does not have any colors or smell. Plants and animals need clean air to live. Clean air keeps us healthy. Okay, you can feel air, you cannot see air. Okay, why you cannot see air? Because it is transparent, because it has no color or no smell. So you can't see the air, but you can feel the air. Okay, now plants and animals as well as human beings also need clean air to live, and clean air always keeps us healthy. You all are going for morning walk or an evening walk, isn't it? Why we are going for morning walk and evening walk? But morning walk is very healthy, because in morning walk, when you are going in the morning for walk, you can get a fresh air, a pleasant air, a fresh air without any polluted. Okay, so that clean air keeps us always healthy. So that's why most of the persons are prefer to go walk in the morning, because in the morning all the air which is around us, or which is around your surrounding you, that all are clean. Now smoke from cars, buses and factories makes air dirty. The smoke from fireworks also make air unclean. Now, have you seen the smoke come from cars, buses and factories? How it look like? It looks black. Yes, in that smoke is black in color, and that smoke goes into the air, mix in the air, and it goes to the highs and mix with the clouds. Okay, now recently you celebrate Diwali festival. Okay, maybe you fire the crackers also. When you fire the crackers, have you seen the smokes come out from the crackers? And why it is very dangerous to our health? Because that smoke is not good for our health. That's why avoid to fire crackers, because the crackers smoke polluted the air, and we need the clean air. If you smell, if you breathe unclean air, then what happen? What will happen? You may sick. That's why we need clean air. So clean your surroundings so you may get clean air. Okay? Now unclean air make us sick. It also harms animal and plants. See, unclean air, when you breathe unclean air, then you may sick, and maybe you may get breathing problems also. So many problems you can feel. So, and unclean air also harms for animal as well as plants also. And unclean air is very dangerous for all of us. So keep clean your surroundings so you may get clean air. I hope you will understand. Thank you.